Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Og karon guys, moadto mig landfill kay manglabay mi sa among mga basura guys. Kay ang amo ang mga guba-guba og mga karaan nga mga butang kay di na magamit kay mga guba na. Ang lawnmower naguba siya last week nya munang nagpalit mig laing lawnmower kana siya sa Home Depot unya mong gipalit kay wa na may ikat o grass sa among yard. So mo ni among ilabay guys, matumi og landfill. Murag mga 30 minutes ang drive. Yeah, no?
You know what we got?
What you got there,
What we
RJ?
have inside the garden, a Nagtapon TV.
Is kaning TV is old na. Unya,
Got a
guba na
microwave.
nya ipa-repair na dili useless na kaayo ipa-repair kay mahal kayong
Got a
repair
microwave.
unya. Mas better mo palit na lag bago kung gusto man mo
Got
palit.
these things.
So, yan ang
Satellite, and there's the
lawnmower is guba. It's broken, RJ.
umbrella.
Yeah, guba naman ni umbrella, labay na lang.
Anything else in the garage we need to go?
I not know.
And the printer's down there.
Yeah, the printer is guba, the humidifier guba. Og ang sa direct TV
We got some lights.
recycling ni tanan guys.
Guys,
Labay. And then we changed to the disc cause little bit cheaper. Dish.
A month cheaper.
Yeah, little bit cheaper and then compared to the
But they're
direct
bad.
TV, expensive.
but they start TVs in the middle of the night while you're watching TVs. They do weird stuff with your TV and resetting your TV.
Much better compare natin, RJ. It's okay that, RJ.
Hey, Bob. Oh,
So, monita na namong ilabay sa landfill for recycling.
not a landfill.
Is the speaker. Kung ipa-repair ng speaker,
You take
timang
the rest.
mahala. So,
And we're
recycle na lang para nga. Ano siya, dako siya. Oh, murag ilan ni ka-inches na TV pero guba na. Wala na sounds, di na mo tingog. So, muna siya guys, among ilabay o ilabay pundadi ang vacuum. Oh, kanihan eh. The oil and the gas ani.
Okay, take you off.
Ani,
Fit it in the back somewhere. But stand it up. You can close the
ani
vent. Close the vent.
ilabay.
Maybe say close the vent.
Okay, close this.
Ready?
Ani ilabay ning oil o
Where's the switch?
gas. Gasoline sa lawnmower among gikuha kay bawal. Di pwede siya. Adi ma-close ani, it's not close ani.
I'll take it.
Okay now. Here is the
Well, we can't find the switch.
Where's the switch?
Power switch.
there is. Oh, it's not that. Here.
Yeah, we just,
I not know it's not a switch. Of course this honey. Oh. Where's the switch now? I forgot now, RJ.
Oh, there it is. Power.
Oh, that. Okay.
Push it.
Okay, not running. It's broken.
needs a belt.
No, it's not run the belt.
What do you want to do? Just lay here?
Okay, just leave that. It look like it can repair that one. Okay, not throw that.
I ran right over to the McConkeys.
Is RJ. Okay, let's
Does it work?
let's
The
go to
belt-
the landfill,
belt is bad.
guys.
Could be replaced. No.
Okay, guys, we're going to the landfill. So see you there. There is landfill thrift store.
Landfill Thrift
This
Store.
is a thrift store here. Head west.
Oh, this is the recycling center.
Oh, there, electric recycling. Oh, maybe here.
I want to try.
Floating there too.
That's
Hit my
really tough.
knee again.
There is. It's the mountain. Look at that.
Hit my knee again for the 15th 8th week.
And there's Daddy and RJ go inside. They asking if where we go recycling this our stuff here. Okay, let's see later, guys. Ito ako, guys, oh. Okay, guys, we just go to the junkyard.
We just hit a traffic jam.
Look at that, a mini truck.
It'll be a while before we can dump all this stuff.
Yep. Because it's not working. If you recycling that is working.
TV has no sound.
Yeah.
Where's
So
she going?
it just junk here. There is so big landfill here. That's why you make a bark, honey.
That's how I do it.
There is.
Oh wait,
Oh, have ID ready?
they charge the other people that come here a lot more.
$5. Mabayad ka ng $5,
I see
guys.
out there.
There is.
Commercial trucks
Landfill.
and dump trailers.
There is.
Green waste.
Wow, a lot.
Look at all the
people.
signs for me, please. Garbage drop off.
One way here. One way. Garbage drop off.
Oh, I remember.
You remember this, RJ? We come here before. You little, RJ.
I didn't get a truck.
Maybe you are
Before this was
4
dirt.
years old.
Yeah, it used to be dirt. You're right, RJ. No, it's like this is growing.
Yep, a lot. Here is. This big area here. Look at that. People
Is there anybody-
throwing the garbage.
Is there traffic control?
Wow, a lot of people here. Yan ang landfill dito, guys.
Some of these people are like professional junkyard dumpers.
Yep.
You know, they have a business. They come here. They charge them $10 to come in, and they charge people $100 to go remove a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of still dirt.
Look at that. Have a lot big. Have a lot of garbage. Whole family there. Okay. Guys,
I need to open
need
this
to throw
window.
now the garbage. There is people there, a mini. Okay, just stay there, RJ. Look at the people. It's not allowed to sell them. Yes, here, RJ. Come here. You're inside here, RJ. You're not going. Just stay here, huh? Okay.
said it. Put it over here now.
There is a balat. There is the mountain view.
What's that bag over there?
What bag?
Like behind your foot?
This?
Oh, it's white thing.
Yeah. This one eh. Very focused.
We gotta go to Photo
Sorry,
Flex.
Jerry. Yeah. We done now, guys. We threw the garbage.
Now we have to
Yan oh. Mga basura. Parang recycle that oh.
They take out the metal.
Yep.
They can recycle that. If it's broken stuff, they don't want it.
Yep.
Except for the recycling of the metal. They probably go through the garbage, pick it.
The entrance. Green West.
Where's the receipt? Oh, I put it in my pocket already.
Ang daming tao dito.
I think I go straight through, but I don't know.
Maybe not. See, up there.
Huh?
See, maybe
They're
it's
not
not.
weighing me. They charged me $5.
There is.
They weigh them when they come in. They weigh them when they go out. And they charge by weight.
Okay.
But we just had a small pickup truck worth of stuff. You could see it. He looked.
Yep.
If you cover it, then it's an extra charge.
There is the thrift store. We look at there, honey.
You wanna look?
No, I
Yeah.
don't want to look.
Here is. We look at there inside, guys. If what look like. Because I not see. Here, guys. Here is. We just looking, guys. Open. No, RJ, come here. Okay.
Okay.
Open the basket. Open the basket. Wow, a balat. Look at this. See? Here
Like
is
it?
a
This
balat.
pot
Ooh,
is made out of
Delicious.
garbage.
Parisian. Oh, haba coconut, RJ. Look at this.
You can buy it.
Yep.
50 cents?
Oh, have there, honey.
Don't touch that.
Honey, see your suitcase?
Yep.
That's here.
We're gonna come back here and give all books away.
Yep.
These movies, DVDs.
Look at this. Yan, ang thrift store dito. Ang laki-laki oh.
Don't sit on it.
Not so good stuff.
Someone else's junk. It's someone
Yeah.
else's treasure.
See the toys here?
Paw Patrol.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
We can give away lots of our toys too.
Yep.
Here.
Yep. Okay, we go out now.
I'm
Look
looking.
inside the lamps.
Okay, we go to the lamps.
Other side is mine.
Nam RJ.
There you go.
Here's the...
That's signs.
No, that's a frame RJ.
Yeah, Egypt. Yeah, rest.
Ooh. Hi. Look at this furniture. Oh, look at this, RJ. Piano, don't touch me. That's a piano.
Yeah, no.
Yep. Look at that. Have a lot of furniture. Yeah. Have cabinet here too. Oh, there is the lamp.
It's by
There is.
how much are they? $1.
Yep.
This place is
Look at that lamp, RJ.
$35. It's a good place to shop.
Yep. Oh, look at this. Daddy cabinet. Honey, you have your cabinet here, honey. How much are you? But it's older.
$5.
Was older, honey. Look.
Oh, look. $5 if you want that.
Yeah, but ours is newer, honey, compared to so.
This is the
bud.
same thing.
Same cabinet, just in better shape.
Yep. This is $6. Oh, $8. $8.
$8.
Oh, this. What's this?
Hey, look, Daddy, see that fan there?
Yeah.
Compost fan.
Yeah, so big. Fun, RJ.
Look at this thing.
$5.
Uh,
Ooh, look at this. It's nice,
look,
RJ.
this is the
How
handle.
much?
What's with this?
I know. Oh, this is $35. Yeah.
Put a big screen in.
Wow. So big that it's so heavy to carry.
You like, see how cheap it is? We want to try to make money out of stuff we
Yeah.
got. You make nothing.
Yeah. Have this your chair too. How much? Here's your chair.
Not the same cheap.
Not like the
How
same.
much? Yellow sticker?
$3.
$3.
This is $3.
Buy something.
What do you want to buy?
There's a couch.
I don't like those chairs. I like the wooden chairs.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Vacuum.
See, it's got to
Vacuum.
work. It's got to work. I test
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
You need a belt.
Oh, here is. Look at that. All the machine here, RJ. Have turbo. Turbo.
Someone's what? Daddy.
Yep.
Want weather tech?
Other thing. Have tar.
What else is there?
Have goats.
20
Okay.
cents.
1 cent.
Okay, it's gonna outside now.
So I'm still looking.
That's so cheap, huh?
Frames, 50 cents each.
Yep, that how much a free?
50 cents.
Yeah, 50 cents.
They're all 50 cents.
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
the 50 cent store.
There we go now.
Filled with
You good.
Here is so cheap. Oops. So cheap inside the thrift store. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.